This video shows the Civil 3D Reminders average slope reports available from the App Store. To run the report, go to the Add-ins tab, click on the average slope report, and then select the surface. And then select where you want the table to be located at. The command will then place an Autocad table with a list of all the contours of the surface, their length, and at the very bottom, it'll show you the total length, the development area, and then the average slope. If you need more control over what the reporting is, you can run the average slope report ranges command. That'll prompt you to select a surface. It'll open up the average slope ranges dialog box, where you can add or remove rows. To add a row, just hit the little plus button and it'll add it, and you can enter in your slope ranges. To remove it, hit the little red X to remove it. The minor contour interval is going to be the interval that the report is going to be run at. So this will create 2-foot contours along the surface. The major contour interval is a multiple of 5 of the minor and is used for informational purposes only. You can output the report to an Autocad table or a CSV file. If you choose the CSV file, you can select the ellipse and select a location to save the folder or the file. For this example, I'm going to run the Autocad table. The Create Polylines for Ranges option will create polylines and place them in the drawing. They'll place it on the current layer, and the colors will be the colors will start at 1 and will be the first range, and increment by 1 for each subsequent slope range. Once you're ready to run the report, press OK. Select where you want the table to be inserted. And now it'll show you a list of the contours, the lengths, the ranges, and at the very bottom, the total length of all the contours, and then a breakdown for each range and the corresponding average slope for that range. The table isn't dynamically updated, so every time you want to update your surface or update the report, you have to rerun the report. Since I chose the polyline option, I can see that the polylines were created and they're colored based on what slope range they belong to. This is the average slope report from Civil 3D Reminders.